Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this realistic box packaging using Blender. Step by step, we will cover modeling, texturing and the Lux render setting to get a clean professional result. So let's get started. Welcome back. So here I will show you the compositing part in LuxCore render. You can notice here. So this tutorial cover cycles EV and even LuxCore render for compositing. So you have noticed this is a mesh view I have already done, and if you want to see the full tutorial, I have left the tutorial link on the description box. Kindly check it out. It's a full tutorial how I can make this the box container. So this is compositing. So you can see here the compositing. So every node for compositing, I have added the denoising for denoising and set the sample 300, and you can say the hex code for color balance. This hex code and the gamma color. This, just pause the video and note down this hex code. This is very important. So after that, I have added the hue saturation value, and then bright and contrast, bright constant 2, and the gamma and the box sharpen. You can see here from the filter node. You can see here filter node. So to unsharp this, it turned the image sharp, soft, showable, per. This is the very basic tips, very basic, but it turned your render image into very good quality image. You can see here before this image was render, and just hold a few moment, it will turn very good quality. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get only new release video. Thanks for watching. Save planet. See you again in the next video. Full description, full video on description. Just check it out.
Thank you for watching. To get more videos, kindly go to my channel and check it out. Gracias por ver. Para obtener más videos, por favor via a mi canal y comprabelo.